How do you think we can maintain the relationships with the people who are donating? So when someone checks in for charity, how can we keep kind of stay in their conscious, but not without buzzing them every 5 seconds? How can we remind them through social media or through the mobile apps or through the smartphones themselves?
Well, I have a process that I've coined called earn-integration. It's the integration. It's earning the right to communicate. So when someone makes a micro gift, I've got to now try and develop the opportunity to earn a relationship with them through texting. Maybe I could push them to email and other sources. And so what we encourage our clients to do is start out with some fun. Maybe run a contest. Maybe say, hey, thank you for supporting this. We've got this t-shirt or this free trip. And you have a contest. And you build your list. Then maybe you do a poll. Ask for some opinions. Start to engage them in a meaningful way so that then you can lead them towards telling them what their gift has done for Haiti so that it has an impact. So that you're not just communicating them via mobile or via blog or any other the social media specifically to ask for a gift. I'm an old fundraiser, and the theory is you thank someone 7 times when they make a gift.
Wow.
7 times. So you don't say, hey, thank you for the gift. By the way, do you want to give again? Find some ways to interact with them that build trust and earn the opportunity then to ask for some more gifts. Then we get into that other realm of influencing. I'd then love for each of you who made that gift and I've developed a trusted relationship with to then influence your social sector. And that's where we start to get into these other things, where you integrate the different tools that we're talking about here.